Ever received just a meeting ID and passcode and wondered how to jump into a Teams call without a link? Let's dive into how to join any Microsoft Teams meeting using just the essential details. This is super handy when you're given a meeting ID and passcode directly. First, open your Microsoft Teams application on the left-hand navigation menu. You'll see an option called Join or Create a Team. Click on that. In the window that pops up, look for the field that says Join a Team with a code. It might seem like it's only for Teams, but this is where we'll enter our meeting information directly into this Join Code field, or a similar prompt that appears for joining meetings. Carefully type your meeting ID. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos. You'll then be prompted to enter the passcode again. Enter this precisely as it was provided, paying close attention to case sensitivity if applicable. After entering both the meeting ID and passcode, you'll be taken to the meeting preview screen here. You can choose to turn your camera on or off and select your audio input. Take a moment to confirm your settings. Once you're ready, click the Join Now button, and just like that, you're in the meeting. You've successfully joined using only the meeting ID and passcode, bypassing the need for a direct link. For quick and easy access to your meetings, remember this simple method for joining via meeting ID and passcode. Happy collaborating!